Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tech. Today, we're diving into the Sennheiser Accentum Plus, a mid-range over-ear headphone that promises to pack a punch. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Sennheiser Accentum Plus is the step-up model from Sennheiser's entry-level Accentum, boasting several upgrades including touch controls, aptX adaptive compatibility, and a handy carry case. But are these enhancements enough to justify the price tag? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the Accentum Plus maintains Sennheiser's minimalist aesthetic with clean lines and a discreet profile. The build quality is top-notch, as expected from Sennheiser, with sturdy construction and premium materials. However, some users might find the fit to be a bit snug, especially if they have larger heads. In terms of features, the Accentum Plus impresses with Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, aptX adaptive codec compatibility, and a remarkable 50-hour battery life. The inclusion of touch controls and a dedicated app further enhances the user experience, allowing for easy customization and control. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect: sound quality. The Accentum Plus delivers a weighty and punchy sound signature with a solid low-frequency presence. While the emphasis leans towards the bass, the mid-range remains clear and detailed, providing an immersive listening experience. Additionally, the active noise cancellation performs admirably, effectively blocking out external distractions without compromising the audio quality. In terms of value, the Accentum Plus offers a compelling package with its premium build, impressive battery life, and robust sound performance. While it may not be the most affordable option on the market, the enhancements over the entry-level model justify the investment for audio enthusiasts looking for a mid-range over-ear headphone. In conclusion, the Sennheiser Accentum Plus delivers on its promises, offering a well-rounded package of design, features, and sound quality. Despite a few minor drawbacks such as the snug fit, it's hard to find fault with the overall performance of these headphones. If you're in the market for a mid-range over-ear headphone that ticks all the boxes, the Accentum Plus is worth considering. That's all for today's review of the Sennheiser Accentum Plus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy listening.